Before we get started, I want to thank Privacy.com for sponsoring today's video. And make sure you stay to the end because they're giving away $5 for free to everybody. It's ridiculous. A wise man once said, ogres have layers. And I think I know what he's trying to say here.
Yeah, like layers to your personality, right?
I don't think it's that deep. I think he's talking about clothes.
Okay, no.
So, like, as you can see here, I think it did a lot for him. He's an icon in an industry dominated by super fit white males, being a thick green boy. And I think that's because of just how he layered his clothes.
No, I don't think that's how that works.
And also, dude, in Shrek 2, like... So I'm gonna break it down in 3 reasons as to why everyone should layer, and that's dynamics, function, and longevity. And I like to think of layering like a healthy, long-term, committed relationship. Here, you got dynamics on how well you guys work together. You got function for how you guys provide value for one another, and longevity for that long term. Yeah, this is just on a whim. Let's just call it a relationship. I'm just throwing that out there.
No.
Kicking things off with dynamic in this relayer. Let me explain myself. So everyone knows layering as stacking pieces on top of one another, which is exactly what it is. That's exactly what that is. But I also like to think of layering as putting together small details on top of one another to really make your fit stand out.
Isn't that just accessorizing?
Well, if you think about it, accessorizing is just kind of a form of layering. And you get the best result if you optimize everything on your fit, both big and small. If you optimize the dynamics of the layering, right? I'll give an example of what I mean. Here's a cool fit. Individually, the piece is already dope. Nothing crazy, but I think it's tasteful selection. But when paired together, the small metallic accessories layered with the soft pastel tones of the core pieces make the dynamics of this fit crazy, and in turn, it keeps things interesting. But it also doesn't have to be that deep. It can also just be layering a plain shirt under a loud jacket. It's good contrast. The dynamics make the fit still interesting. I think this does a lot for any outfit, and it's not that hard to do either. There aren't any real rules as to what you can and can't layer together, so it's really all in the creativity. And rules are made to be broken anyway, so who cares?
So you're saying I should cheat on my girlfriend because rules are made to be broken?
So I have an idea of what I like already in fashion. So the things I layer with generally have a theme specific to me. Like I like that rock and punk look, so I'll layer my oversized shirts with bandanas and my skinny jeans with a chain. But I also like tech wear crap, so I'll add some dynamics with a crossbody bag and some tactical wear on my leg. But if you don't really have a direction yet, my best advice is to find a bunch of crap you do find interesting and then just improvise your fits catered to that look. Like layering a windbreaker type jacket with a flannel. It's different, but who cares? If that's what you like, that's what you like. Tactical shoulder bag with a varsity jacket. A lot of people are starting to do this. It's different, but who cares? It makes fashion interesting, and it's really all up to your taste. Layering different styles will create some cool dynamics in your outfit that standalone pieces can't do by themselves. Moving on to Shrek 2, we got function. In a good relationship, y'all provide value for one another to make each other better people. In layering, the individual pieces provide different qualities and value to make for a better outfit. Relationship.
Stop. This is not a...
Relay. An example is like in the colder seasons. It's cold.
Wow.
Sweat. When it's cold outside, you're gonna have to dress for it, and layering a light jacket will keep you good for when it's medium cold. Then layering a big jacket will keep you good for when it's big cold. Provides value in a sense that you can look good but still be practical. Also, a bonus plus is you get to choose if you want things opened or not to control the temperature, but also to add some dynamic to your fit layered with what's underneath. Another example, other than the obvious staying warm, is storage. A thing I carry around every day is gum. I chew gum every day. It, keeps your breath fresh, and I like the taste. But when this thing is in my jeans, this thing is all smashed up, and my gum gets all compressed, leaving it weird and soft. You know what I mean? I don't like that.
I don't like the sound you make.
I don't like it. The stupid soft gum is like reverse morning wood. Anyways, I usually use a fanny pack every day now, and I keep my gum in there, and it stays firm, just how I like it.
Nice.
Layering that on top of the jacket, I'm warm all day, plus my gum isn't all whiskey dick. Function, value, relayer, ship. Lastly is longevity. We all get bored of clothes. It just happens, unless it's white vans. Yeah. But layering gives your clothes longevity by letting you switch things up. Example, like I said earlier with I never get bored with white Vans, but it's because I like to switch things up on how I wear them. Sometimes I mismatch them for that mix-up, and with layering, you can do the same thing but with other pieces. Like, if you get bored of a bomber jacket, if you just wear it with your t-shirt every day, it's boring. But layering it with a hoodie totally changes up the look, and now the piece is refreshed in your eyes so you don't have to toss it. Another example is if you grow out of a style entirely. In the future, layering a piece you got bored of with something that you just copped will refresh that old piece. Layering gives your clothes fresh perspective, and it also feels good to make the most out of things that otherwise wouldn't be used. Layering protects you from anything the real world throws at you and protects your fits from getting stale. But you know what layering doesn't? You know what layering won't do? Layering won't protect your personal information from the internet. Which is why I'm partnering with privacy.com, because they're the homie. And the homies got your back. We all know that. So one form of security in checkout is just having no money. That's the best security. Honestly, being broke, solid security. No one's going to spend the money that I don't have. But for when you actually want to buy something, your information is out there for people to track and steal. With privacy.com, you're safe. With them, you can link your debit card or bank account to a secured virtual card, it's kind of like a VPN for your card. And it masks all your information for their own numbers. And to be even safer, you can lock that virtual card to a specific website only, or set a spending limit so you don't get overcharged. Or also so someone doesn't take that info and spend what's not theirs. So last video I made with these guys, I left the card info on the screen during the video because I set a spending limit and I closed the card anyway. So I was good to go. And also I trust you guys. I thought we were friends. But one of y'all decided to go and try and use that card on ASOS for $90. And I got that email. I got that notification. What the
Snakes.
I thought we were homies.
Answer.
You guys are grounded. But luckily I was safe because of privacy.com's security, and I never lost a single cent to no snake. It's also really easy to set up. Just make an account on the website at privacy.com/respectwomen. Install the Chrome extension if you're using Chrome, which you all should be. And then you link your card or bank account to a virtual card, and then you set a limit you want, and then bam, you're good to go. Once you're on any checkout page, just click the privacy button with the extension, and it'll autofill for you. Done. Boom. 1, 2, buckle your shoe. And all you gotta do is sign up at privacy.com/respectwomen. And also, if you sign up, you get $5. They give you $5 for free to use on any privacy virtual card. That'll pay for shipping on most websites already. Privacy.com/respectwomen. Protect your crap, man. It's 2019. People have a lot of time on their hands and you don't know what they're doing. But thanks for watching the video. But the next video is on eBoys. So subscribe for that one because that one sucks.